Are you jerry-rigging something?
Mm-hmm.
The dishwasher is broken. It won't turn on. So hubby took it apart this morning. He's very good at taking things apart. All right, so this is what my hubby did. He drilled little holes in each of the cycles, and then he has a tool. Show us your tool. It's a pretty tool. It's a cocktail fork that doesn't have the fork anymore. And so you have to gently put it in the hole, and then it becomes alive, and just gentle press. So the gasket is gone in there?
There's a rubber gasket that goes in between the buttons and the actual electronic part of the button.
Mm-hmm.
And it's completely deteriorated and just all broken.
Oh.
All the pieces broke out. But
And that's because we were pushing so hard, or I was pushing so hard.
No, that's from the heat.
Oh, the heat. Oh, okay.
You were pushing so hard when it wasn't lined up on the button, and that broke all the brackets. That's why we've got tie wraps holding it together now.
Oh, I just thought that was for an aesthetic purpose. It's beautiful, the tie wraps, don't you think? Very clever, dear. You are a very brilliant man. May I say that to you?
Sure.
Well, thank you all for watching. My brilliant hubby fixed this dishwasher. It would have cost us about $350 just to replace that board. So he saved us $350 this morning. Job well done, hub.